Good morning. I welcome you again to A Moment with Rukwaru. I'm Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and relationship coach. I hope you have been enjoying my past videos, and so today I would like to discuss about the biggest mistakes people make in a relationship. One of the mistakes people make when they are in a relationship is confusing love with adrenaline. Adrenaline, in the sense, when I'm talking about adrenaline, is where it's just emotions. You are carried out by lust, but it's not genuine love, and then you tend to confuse it with love. And secondly is expecting your partner to love you the same way you love them. And that is a mistake people make when they are in a relationship. And then another mistake is expecting your partner to read your mind. It is important for you to share with your partner, to tell your partner your feelings, to tell your partner your aspirations and your expectation. Don't expect them to be a mind reader. Another mistake is taking your partner for granted. Instead of showing gratitude and making time for them, you just assume. And when you just assume and you take your partner for granted, it is very easy for your relationship to break when you thought that it will not happen. And another mistake is assuming that you know everything about your partner. The fact that you have been close, you are sharing quite intimate details with your partner, that doesn't mean you know them well. It is important for you to ask them to tell you their story, and then you listen, and with a lot of keenness, that's the way you are going to understand them. And another mistake is trying to change your partner. You cannot change your partner. You just have to appreciate them the way they are. Many times, I have said in my previous videos, it's difficult for you to change a person. It's you is to change, and then it's going to follow. And then another mistake people make in a relationship is constantly questioning or controlling your partner instead of trusting and cherishing them. It is very easy for you to become so controlling. You start questioning them, and then this makes your partners very uncomfortable, and they are likely to run away. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope for those who are in a relationship, if you have made certain mistakes based on what I have discussed today, please try to correct them. Otherwise, have a great day. Adios.